Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming size and compression level so the fit will work. This prevents bunching and pressure points. Once measured, compare ankle and calf numbers against the chart and choose the correct mmHg. Put on gloves if skin is fragile and sit on a stable chair at a comfortable height. Make sure toes are clean and nails short to avoid snags. Now move directly to turning the sock inside out to prepare for the next step. Keep the opening wide. You next turn the sock inside out to the heel so placement is precise. This controls tension as you work. Once done, gather the foot end into a donut shape and slide your toes into the pocket, then pull the sock over the heel. Make sure the heel sits in the heel cup, smooth fabric down the ankle, then calf, aligning the tighter section at the ankle where compression is highest. After positioning, check for creases and even tension to ensure proper blood flow and comfort. You finish by making deliberate final checks. Look for wrinkles, folds, or areas that feel too tight. Your toes should move and not be numb. Once done, stand briefly and reassess circulation. If you notice pins and needles or increasing pain, remove the sock and reapply with less tension. If problems persist, consult a clinician. One key troubleshooting tip: if the sock rolls or bunches, remove it, reseat the heel, and use a rubberized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.